everyone. We got some big changes for the Q50 coming up. Okay, I don't want to mislead, not big, but some significant ones. It is absolutely a garbage day today. I mean, it's seriously 50 degrees. It's the end of May and it's freezing. Anyway, I got some parts coming in today, which is a good thing. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get them installed by the time this video is done. But hopefully they come in time where I can show you guys because it's part of what's going on. Other stuff happening too. I'm cleaning up the garage, the shop, if you will, because it needs some massive reorganization. I wanted to make it more conducive to filming videos. We're at the 5,000 subscriber mark. We're well over 5,000 subscribers at this point, so it's time to get the act together. It is going to be, as much as possible, a dust-free environment. I want to be able to detail cars in the garage. I want to be able to pull cars into the garage and leave them overnight and not have dust and crap settle on them. I want to reduce that as much as possible anyways. Ooh, that thing looks sick in the driveway. Well, it took quite a bit of work, but I think we got there. We got the shop looking good. I got rid of a bunch of stuff, but as you can tell, it's quite cleaned up. We got some overhead racking, which is very, very helpful, and got this area situated. Don't forget to return your Pittsburgh jack stands because they've been recalled. Apparently they can collapse. I've only used these once since I got them. They're only like 25 bucks. I ordered some more lights, some better lights so we can light this whole thing up and maybe move these current fluorescent lights around in different areas so we can do some detailing and still have some proper lighting in here. So really excited to finally get this area cleaned up. I probably could have gotten rid of a bunch more stuff, but I'm kind of a hoarder. I feel like you just never know when you might need something. So I tend to hold on to it, even though I kind of know deep down that I'm not going to need it. But nonetheless, I got rid of a bunch of stuff. It's very clean in here. I feel very good. It looks much bigger than it used to. I'm digging it. I moved. That bench was over here. If you'll probably remember from previous videos, tires are over in the corner. That's kind of my extra rag area. And I got some exhaust components over there in the corner. My regular bench, I cleaned out a bunch of crap and I got that area cleaned up. Got the pressure washer. The saw is still here. There's not many places where I can put it in here, but at least I think I can get the car past it and tucked into the corner. I'm not sure if I can get two vehicles in here or not. It might be, especially that big Explorer, but it might be, we might have to do it strategically. But nonetheless, I'm pumped, guys. This will be good. I'm excited to get to work and make some more videos in here. And speaking of excited, those parts I told you that were coming are here. Just a small light bag, but let's open this thing up. From Z1 Motorsports, if I didn't say already. Do we have? Cool. Oh, you guys probably know what these are. I just kind of messed around and made my own deals. I kind of retained the baffles, or whatever you want to call them, the little air muffler boxes, intake muffler, intake baffle, whatever. But I decided to get some of the Z1 tubes and we'll just do it legit like. Another part, since we're on the same topic of tubes, we got the other Z1, whatchamacallit, intake, cross, manifold, tubes, whatever. Here we go. Dressing up the engine bay. We probably could install these right now, but I don't have time. I don't have time. Let's open these up and take a look at them. So these aren't going to do anything for the car, obviously. They're just aesthetic. Reinforced, but I like that they're perfectly shaped and glossy. They're just like the intake tubes, silicone. They do feel a little sticky, so I know they're gonna attract dust, and I can already tell it's picking up the dust off my hands. But I think they'll look good in the engine bay. And same with these. They just look nice. So wanted to get a couple small things. I know it's not really a big deal, but it'll dress up the engine bay a little bit, and that's kind of what I want to focus on for a little while. I got some plans for the car and some upcoming videos, but I really want the engine bay looking good, so I'm looking for some stainless components, some hardware stuff, these. So we're moving in the right direction with the old Q. I mentioned in a previous video that I wasn't a big fan of the eBay diffuser, so I'm probably gonna be changing that out. I couldn't bring myself to tearing it off this weekend because the car really just needs a diffuser in my opinion. So I didn't want to take it off and sacrifice the current look of the vehicle, but I am in the market shopping. So let me know if you have any suggestions for Q50 rear diffusers. I'm looking hard. My new shop light came in this afternoon too, by the way. This thing works good. This place is so bright now. Love it. So in addition to swapping out the rear diffuser, I think what I want to do also is get a new rear spoiler. The spoiler I do have actually is an eBay spoiler, and I got a good deal on it, and it's painted, paint matched perfectly, it fit perfectly, and I do like the sleek, smooth look of it. However, since I had it, and especially since I lowered the car and got different wheels, I really want a little bit more of an aggressive spoiler. So I'm in the market for one of those as well. More of a kind of a duckbill, a little more aggressive again, like I said. So follow me on Instagram, check me out, Speed Culture Studios. Use hashtag Speed Culture Studios and share your rear spoilers with me as well, so I can get a couple ideas. Looking real hard for those as well. Another thing that I'm after, I might just bite the bullet and buy a new front splitter. You can see my review of my Amazon 3-piece splitter. I like it, it fit perfectly and all that, but like I said at the very beginning, there seemed to be a slight sag right in the middle because there's just 2 mounting points on that middle section. It seems that the maker of that splitter realized the issue and has addressed it appropriately, putting a third kind of mounting triangle, whatever you want to call it, right in the center. So you're able to run a nut and bolt through it to make sure that center section is supported as well. It will eliminate that drooping portion. So it kind of blows to redo some of the things I've already done, but you know what? Change is good. So I need a little higher quality rear diffuser. I want a little bit more of aggressive rear spoiler, and we want to change that front splitter out. In addition to cleaning up the engine bay and getting that thing looking top notch, sticky tires coming. I know I've been talking about it, but I'm stuck between 2 different ones. I had originally thought about going with the Indy Firehawk Indy 500s, but I don't know that I'm going to go that route anymore. So it's just hard for me to pull the trigger because I'm so back and forth between what I actually want and what. It's just tough. It's just a tough decision. Now that the roads are opening up and Tail of the Dragon is opening up, I'm looking at some more chassis stiffening type stuff or chassis related components to add. So looking for that kind of stuff. I want to redo the chrome delete. So we're just getting this thing all buttoned up and dialed in, and more surprises to come for the channel. So stick around. And guys, don't forget about the 5K subscriber giveaway coming up in just a couple of days, Saturday, May 23rd, late afternoon, early evening, Instagram. Don't forget, get yourself entered, go to that giveaway video, make sure you're subscribed, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section letting me know you want to be entered in that giveaway, and you will win, of course, some stickers, Speed Culture t-shirt, and of course the splash guards, rear splash guards for the Q50, so pretty solid package. Really appreciate your continued support, guys. I appreciate you following along and subscribing to the channel. Big things to come. I'm super pumped. I'm glad you guys are here following along. So thanks for watching, as always, and we'll see you in the next one.